we're looking to update the DET with engineered beam and do the engineered neck in 2023. So development will begin probably early 23, and then sometime in 23 it'll be released. That'd be a big yes. For those of you who don't know, there's a big trade show in Nashville that's closed to dealers only, but we go there once a year, and we're in trade show mode right now, getting ready, getting prepared, trailers built, all the stuff. It's a cool question. There are a number of items that we do outsource to have made that we can't effectively or efficiently make in-house. We do outsource those items, but we do take a lot of pride in building the majority of our stuff here. We are interested in the Rolloffs. They're really cool, not something that's in the near-term future for us. The LPX with the rails, we've done a few on a custom basis, with rails, so that is something we are capable of on a custom order. If I'm reading this one correct, it's how do I get a Diamond C up in northern Canada? And the answer is jump on our website there. You can get on the dealer finder and put in your zip code there and see which Canadian dealer is closest to you.